Imagine Aotearoa 1,000 years ago. Our first discoverer arrives, his name Kupe. He is greeted by mystery, by a vast open space, by colossal kauri forests, and by opportunity. The opportunity I speak of is also the same place that you and I call home. Welcome to Tokerau.
Kia ora!
Welcome to the Bay of Islands.
Kia ora! Welcome to Russell.
Welcome to Kauri Cliffs.
Being an ambassador is going the extra mile for someone, maybe someone that you normally wouldn't go the extra mile for. It's having an amazing amount of enthusiasm. It's not a job, it's a way of life.
Kia ora! Welcome to Copthorne Hokianga.
Namaste, welcome to Bay of Island.
Another way to make people feel welcome is to listen to their story and share your stories. It's about connecting and allowing who we are and what this place is about to come through you and the beautifulness that it is.
If you think the scenery and landscapes are amazing, wait until you meet our people.
Welcome to Keri.
Kia ora, haere mai ki kororareka. Welcome to Russell.
Kia ora. Welcome to the Waitangi Shooting Grounds.
It is truly special to share our beautiful landscapes, our culture, our history, and ourselves. We're all in this together.
I'm proud to be an ambassador for my people and to stand here on my tūranga waiwai, on our tūranga waiwai, on your tūranga waiwai, our foundational whenua, our land. I stand here proud to be able to share the histories, the genealogies, the stories of my ancestors, of our ancestors. I do so with aroha.
So join us. Help us to tell our stories. Help us to showcase our unique landscapes. Help us to share our passion. Become a Tai Tokerau ambassador. We're all in this together.